Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important chapter in NCERT, that is chemical equilibrium. This chemical equilibrium is very important in also competitive exams like JEE NEET. The most important thing in this chapter is the degree of dissociation, that is DOD. DOD means degree of dissociation. The degree of dissociation is nothing but it is the number of moles dissociated by total number of moles taken. This is the most important formula in this chapter. So it's very important. So please memorize this. First we are going to know how to find DOD. For that we want to know moles taken, total number of moles taken, and then dissociation. Moles dissociation. From that we are going to know DOD of that reactions. So if we take 1 moles, then X mole is dissociated, then the DOD is number of moles dissociated by total number of moles taken, that is X by 1, which is also X. If we take 1 moles, then mole dissociation is 2X, then the degree of dissociation is also 2X by 1, that is 2X. If we take 2 moles, then X number of moles is dissociated, then the degree of dissociation is X by 2, that is X by 2. If we take A moles, then X number of moles is dissociated, then the degree of dissociation is X by A. We are going to discuss about the excellent trick to find DOD. That is, in this question they are given DOD as X. You have always remember the DOD is always for 1 mole. So 1 mole, that is X, and asking you to find for 3 moles, you have to cross multiply it. 3 into X by 1. That is 3X. So for 3 moles, the degree of dissociation is 3X. First we are going to discuss about a question for the trick number 1. The question is, the A is dissociated into B and C. These all are in a gaseous state. At starting, 2 moles of A are taken. The number of moles taken A is 2. If the degree of dissociation is X, the DOD is X. They are given in the question. Calculate the total number of moles at equilibriums. So they are asking you to calculate the total number of moles. For that you have to write the equation first. 3A dissociated into B plus 2C. When the time is 0, that is the equation is not started. The number of moles A taken is given in the question, that is 2. Why I am taking 2? Because 2 moles are taken at starting time. So we are taking this as 2. The reaction is not started, so there is no B and C. So we have to put 0 for that. At the time of equilibrium, the A is going to get dissociation. So for that we have to find what is the degree of dissociation. The degree of dissociation is X, that is given in the question. You have to remember the first trick, always the degree of dissociation is for single mole. So 1 mole is dissociating X, but we are taking 2 moles. So what is the degree of dissociation? That is 2X. So we have to cross multiply 2X by 1, that gives 2X. So from this 2, the 2X is dissociated. In this point, the students are going to get mistaken. If 2X of moles is dissociated, they written here, this 2X is going to form 2X of B and 2X of B. But this makes your question completely wrong. That you have to use the stoichiometric coefficients of this equations. The stoichiometric coefficient of A is 3. That is the nothing but the number in front of the compound. So 3. Here 1 and here it's 2. So what it means? The 3 moles of A forming 1 mole of B. That is the 3 moles forming 1A. Then 2x mole forms how many? This is the trick. So 2x forms how? 2x into 1 by 3. That is 2x by 3. So 2x by 3 moles of B is formed at the time of equilibrium. So you have to put here 2x by 3. Same as for that this. So 3 moles gives 2. Then 2x forms how many? So 2x into 2 by 3. That is 4x by 3. So 4x by 3 number of moles is formed at the time of equilibrium. So 4x by 3. At the time of equilibrium, they are asking you to find the total number of moles. So for total number of moles, you have add all these 3 things. So that is at the time of equilibrium, total number of moles. That is 2 minus 2x plus 2x by 3 plus 4x by 3. So first these two have a denominator. So we add this first. For adding this we get 6x by 3. Here it is all as same as that of the question. So here 1, 2. So positive 2x, negative 2x, they two get cancels. The number of moles is 2. At the total number of moles at equilibrium is 2. The second trick is the percentage of degree of dissociation. So the formula is for percentage of degree of dissociation is degree of dissociation into 100. So from that you are asking to do what is the degree of dissociation. What you are going to do, degree of dissociation is equal to percentage of degree of dissociation by 100. So it is the tricky formula. For trick number 2, we are going to discuss the questions. The question is A and B are going to dissociate into C and D. The all are in gaseous state. Initially they are taking 2 moles of A and 3 moles of B. 30% is a degree dissociated A till at equilibrium. So calculate the total number of moles. You are asking to calculate total number of moles at equilibrium. So for every question you have to write the equation first. 3A plus 2B is dissociated into 5D plus 2C. So when the reaction is started, that is time is t is equal to 0, 2 moles of A is taken. So A is 2 moles and 3 moles of B is taken. B is 3. In this questions, they are giving the percentage of degree of dissociations, not the degree of dissociations. So the percentage of degree of dissociation is equal to 30%. That is degree of dissociation into 100. So from the trick, we are going to find the degree of dissociations. That is degree of dissociation is equal to percentage of degree of dissociation by 100. So 30 by 100, 0 get cancelled. So 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. So 0.3 is the degree of dissociation. What is the first trick? Always the degree of dissociation is for 1 mole. So it is for 1 mole. And the question they are giving us 2. So for 2, what is degree of dissociation? 2 is 0.6. So at the time of equilibrium, 0.6 mole is get dissociated from this 2 moles. So that is 0.6. At this point you have to do very carefully because you have to lose your mistakes when you are doing the 0.2 mole is dissociated here and also here the 0.6 and the 0.6 is forming in this 2, then you are going to lose your marks. So the most important trick is you have to write the stoichiometrics of the reactions. So 3, 2, 5, 2. That is the 3 moles gives 2. Then 0.6 moles gives how much? So for that you have to cross multiply this 0.6 into 2 by 3. So 1, 0.2. So answer is 0.4. So 0.4 mole gets dissociated from this. So here 3 minus 0.4. And here these are all not starting, so it's 0. When the reaction is not started, there is no formation of C and D, so we have to put 0 for that. And here 3 moles dissociated 5. So 0.6 gives how much? It's the question. So 5 into 0.6 by 3. So 1 here 0.2. So the answer is 1.0, which is equal to 1. So 1 mole gets formed in this point 1. And here you have to use 3 moles gives 2. So 0.6 moles gives how much? 0.6 into 2 by 3. So 1, 0.2. So 0.4. So here 0.4. So they are asking you to find the total number of moles. So for total number of moles at equilibrium, you have to calculate all these points. Before that, we have to do this. 2 minus 0.6 gives 1.4. And 3 minus 0.4 gives 2.6. So total number of moles at equilibrium, you have to add all these. So we have to add 1.4 plus 2.6 plus 1 plus 0.4. So if we add this, we are getting 5.4. At equilibrium, the total number of moles is equal to 5.4. Here I am giving a test yourself questions. From using these tricks, please try to get answer for these questions. If you get answer for these questions, please comment it in the comment box. If you like the video, then click on the like button. Please share this video to your friends also. And subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.